How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some freaky videos that'll sort you right out. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more creepy content, just like this. A man on YouTube named Diego Santos was relaxing outside his house on a cool August night in Sao Paulo, Brazil, when he started to notice something bizarre and unexplainable just above him in the night sky. Take a look. Although planes definitely do fly overnight, it's clear by the shape as well as the colour of this object that it's not a plane. The strange glowing object at one point seems to eject several smaller balls of light that fly off into the sky. People in the comments section are fairly divided as to what they believe this strange object could be. A few individuals suggested it could be something as harmless as a helicopter, a drone, or maybe even a large hot air balloon, whereas others are in agreement that this could indeed be an alien craft.
Me contem o que vocês acham que é isso.
Because this video was only captured in August, Diego hasn't posted any updates yet, so this strange piece of footage will have to remain a mystery. Hey gang, just want to let you know today's episode's sponsored by Mech Arena. Now it's awesome sponsors like these that allow us to keep making the content that you know and love. To download this game for free, just scan the QR code here. Mech Arena is a really interesting pick up and play shooter. It's a 5v5 mech shooter that's casual, super fun, and easy to jump straight into. As you play, you unlock different mechs, each with their own unique playstyle. There's also loads of different weapon combinations to play around with, that way you can find what suits your way of playing. Just look at all these weapons. Pew, 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 pew. I love how easy the matchmaking system is. With the press of a button, you'll be jumping straight into battle against players from all across the world. There's different game modes and ranked tournaments too. Mech Arena has just launched globally and they're running a huge celebration event in-game right now. There's a ton of awesome events and amazing daily welcome rewards during the first week if you start playing right now. There's loads of credits, crates, and a free skin up for grabs. So this game is completely free to play. It's available on Android and iOS right now. To download it, use the QR code there, or download it via the special link in the description box below. If you're a new player, you'll get a black carbon skin, 300 A coins, and 50,000 credits. So support our channel, download the game, and get involved now. This video by Instagram user FluidFree shows how a pleasant day out on the water can go horribly wrong. Take a look at what happened. As you can see, a gigantic snake-like creature rams into the boat, pushing it backwards. It then slithers off down the river. Luckily, nobody in the video was hurt by the creature as it proceeds to slither away from the kayaker and his group of friends. But had they not been careful, this could have easily turned disastrous. So the question on everyone's mind is, what exactly is this creature? The general consensus is that it's a giant snake, but some have suggested it could be some other kind of reptile, as we don't actually get to see its whole body. Regardless of what this creature actually is, one thing's for sure, it's the last thing you'd want to see while floating down a river. Imagine you're in your room late at night watching some TV, but you keep noticing something strange happening just outside your window that you can't seem to comprehend. That's exactly what happened to Victoria Hill, who posted the following video to their YouTube channel back in April of 2009. Victoria says they were watching television in their room at 1 in the morning when they suddenly started to see what appeared to be some sort of shadow-like figure running up and down the street just outside the window. It freaked the uploader out so much that they decided to pull out their cell phone camera to see if they could capture the strange phenomena. And sure enough, if you look closely, you can make out what looks like a strange figure running back and forth at various intervals.
It just stopped outside the window. And there it goes again.
It can be hard to spot at times, but here it is in slow motion.
And there it goes again.
In the comments section of the video, the uploader clarified that the video is 100% real, and says that even the next door neighbours spotted this mysterious entity on a couple of occasions. So what do you think? Is this some strange ghost-like entity caught on camera, or is there another explanation? Love to hear about your theories in the comment section down below.
It just stopped outside the window. And there it goes again.
Jimmy B Trail Cams is a YouTuber who started uploading videos in April of 2021, typically consisting of him venturing out to different trails and documenting his findings. But by taking a quick look at his uploads, you'll find that none of them are outright scary, but rather interesting, especially if you're into wildlife and nature. However, one particular video that he uploaded recently stands out like a sore thumb amongst the crowd of his other, more innocent videos. The following video was filmed by Jimmy in Birch Bay, Whatcom County in Washington in April of 2021 at around 9 PM. The video starts off simple enough as we look at a couple of trees in the distance. But watch what happens next. A massive entity proceeds to walk through the woods. It passes from left to right, then vanishes from view. Although the quality of the video is blurry and pixelated, if you look closely, you can see that the creature's very tall and looks to be quite hairy, which is making some people believe that the figure caught on camera in this video is none other than Bigfoot himself. Several weeks after this sighting took place, cameras all over Jimmy's property began to go missing. So are some pranksters up to no good, or is this strange creature destroying the cameras out in the woods? Jimmy has said he's ordered more cameras, so we'll have to wait and see how this one plays out. Teslas are highly sought after vehicles as they come with a vast number of unique features that other cars don't have. One of these features is the ability to detect moving objects and people around the car so as to avoid collisions. TikTok user Yailin Murillo uploaded a video to their account that shows them driving their Tesla through a cemetery. Although the reason for doing so is not exactly clear, the results are genuinely terrifying. As you can see, as they drive around, the monitor continuously informs the driver that there are living human beings nearby, although that's obviously not the case. This continues throughout the video, but not a single person can be seen in the cemetery. So what exactly is going on here? Are the ghosts of deceased individuals roaming the cemetery grounds, rendering them visible to the Tesla camera? There are a few videos floating around the internet that show this exact same situation, so it's possible there is some kind of glitch in the Tesla detection system. But still, why does it always seem to go off while in a cemetery? In this bone-chilling video published to YouTube by a user DDarkPathScary in June of 2021, a man is seen sitting down in his vehicle. The footage appears to have been captured by an internal dashcam device. Take a look at what happens. As you can see, there's something lurking in the back seat of the car. Whatever it is, it has dark sunken eyes and grey skin. When the driver spots the figure, he scrambles out of the car. It's not clear whether or not this entity meant to harm the man. The origins of this video are fairly mysterious, and no one is exactly sure who this man is or how the creature got inside his vehicle in the first place. So just a heads up, next time you enter your vehicle, before you put the car in drive, check your back seat, just in case. Children have pretty big imaginations at the best of times and often come up with some pretty strange ideas. However, this next clip, uploaded to TikTok by Mr. Mysterian, requires no imagination at all, as the video speaks for itself.
I'm scared. Is that the moon? Is that thing? Do you know? What is that? What? Oh, whoa. What is that?
The kid holding the camera appears to be recording outside the window of a hotel.
Is that thing?
A massive object is floating just near the buildings outside the window.
What? Oh, whoa. What is that? Like, actually, what is that?
Whatever it is, it has lights running the length of it.
Whoa. What is that? Like, actually, what is that? It's in the sky.
Naturally, the child is enamored by his findings and sounds baffled as to what the strange floating ship could be. He clarifies that it couldn't be a kite because there doesn't appear to be anyone else around.
I know it's not a kite because there's no place around here that can fly kites. Oh my gosh, that looks absolutely terrifying. What is that? Like, right in the sky. Bro, what is that? Okay. Comment down below if you know what this is, but this looks crazy.
Of course, this naturally caused many people who viewed the clip to suspect that this could be a UFO floating in the middle of the city.
Actually, what is that?
Whether or not it's actually an alien craft is yet to be determined, but but there's no denying that this is a mysterious piece of footage that looks ominously real.
That looks absolutely terrifying. What is that? Like, right in the sky. Bro, what is that? Okay.
Before we take a look at a terrifying encounter filmed deep in the woods, remember to hit that subscribe button, then tickle that little bell icon there and turn on all channel notifications. That way you'll be in the loop every time we drop our scary and mysterious videos. Also, a completely free way to support the channel is to pulverize that thumbs up button there. A YouTuber named Nerfadov uploaded an unsettling piece of footage to his channel all the way back in July of 2008, which seems to document a strange encounter. In the description of the video, the uploader states that one night during a harsh thunderstorm, he thought he saw a UFO floating in the sky near his house, but he was unable to record it in time. Normally, thunderstorms are nothing to be too worried about, but the uploader said that this storm made him feel uneasy, and it caused him to want to investigate the area where he saw the UFO. Shortly after the storm ended, this brave YouTuber headed into the woods with a camera. After searching the forest for some time, this chilling encounter took place. The video ends shortly thereafter, leaving us to wonder what exactly the uploader saw that stormy night. Most people in the comments were terrified by the encounter. Some said it was an alien, or perhaps even a cryptid of some kind. Others said it may have been a horse or cow filmed on a strange angle. The fact that the clip ends abruptly without getting a better look has led many viewers to think that the whole thing is a hoax. This footage was captured more than 10 years ago, and there's been no solid updates since, so whatever this YouTuber encountered deep in the woods that night will have to remain a mystery. Now, if you can't get enough of the old slapped ham, then check out these two links there. They'll keep you entertained for hours and hours. Now, if you have your own scary content you want to submit, head to our Slapped Ham subreddit. There's a link in the description box below. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time.